How to find Sound ID on Roblox. So first, you just have to launch your Roblox account or application. And then here, what you're going to do is go to create. And once you're here, what you're going to do is tap dashboard, tap this one. And then after that, you have to locate marketplace. Tap marketplace. And then here, what you're going to do is just simply look for audio. There are tons of options above, but you can just simply go to audio. Tap this one. And then here, you just have to look for the specific audio that you want to use for your game. You can browse, you can search, or you can use, or you can just simply choose from any of the audio here. Okay, for example, this one. And then go to this arrow facing down, tap this, click more info, and then go to this part to copy your ID, okay, Sound ID. And then here, what you're going to do is just simply open your Roblox Studio. Okay, and after that, you just have to look for workspace and then search for sound. Okay, tap this one. Now click the plus icon, or no, go to properties rather. And then here, okay, let me repeat it again. Go to sound and then go to properties, search for sound ID, and then paste it right here. And then all you have to do is to click play. So as you can see, while playing, you can also listen to this audio. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.